Hello everyone, how are you doing? So, in today's class we are still talking about sounds and how are sounds different. Now today we are going to talk about something called pitch, the pitch. Now, we will understand together what do I mean by the word pitch. What do I mean by pitch? Let's see. Now, we already said last time that sounds are different, so we hear different sounds, okay? And we also said that these sounds have different or are different in vibrating. So the vibration of these sounds is different, right? Now here in the picture we have a drum, someone hitting the drum, and we also have a whistle, right? Now, if you can see, here are the sound waves. Do you remember? I told you that vibration creates something like waves, sound waves, right? Now, when I say pitch, I mean how high or low a sound is. How high or low a sound is. And sounds have different vibrations and they also have different pitch. So sounds are also different in pitch. Okay? We have some high and some low sounds, okay? Now, if you look here at the sound waves, if you look at the first one, we have a sound wave, and if you can tell, we have a space between these waves. Can you see? Can you see the space? Yes? So we have sound waves, but the space between these waves is obvious. You can see that there is actually a good space between the waves, the sound waves, right? Now when you see this means that we have low pitch, okay? Now, let's look at the other picture. I have also sound waves, but can you see? I can barely have spaces. You know, the space is like very little and very narrow. Can you see? Can you see? So I have a lot of sound waves, and the space between these sound waves is like very, very little. Okay? So this means that I have a high pitch. Okay? Now, here I have a whistle. And can you tell me, is it a high pitch or a low pitch? Remember, a pitch is how high or low a sound is. Now here, can you see? I have high pitch. So I have a lot of sound waves and I have very little space between the waves, right? Now, let's look at the bell. Now, when the bell rings, it makes a low pitch. Now, can you look here at the sound waves? I have sound waves, but the space between these sound waves is more, right? I can see I have a good space between the waves. And when I see this space, this means that I have a low pitch. I have a low pitch. Okay? Now, do you remember last time we talked about vibration, right? We said that vibration means going back and forth. Going back and forth, right? Now, if something is vibrating really fast, if we have fast vibration, if we have fast vibration, this makes a high pitch. A high pitch. Can you see? Okay. So if something is making a fast vibration, it's going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth really fast. This means that the sound has a high pitch. Okay? A high pitch. Now, if the sound is vibrating in a slow way, slow vibration, slow movement, slow vibration, see, it's so slow. Okay? This means that it has a low pitch. Okay? It has a low pitch. Now, here I have a guitar. Here I have a guitar, and I have vertical and horizontal strings, right? So here I have the thick string, and the other one I have a thin string, okay? And the boy is playing the guitar. Now, the boy plucks a thick guitar string. The string vibrates slowly. So, the thick string vibrates slowly. It vibrates slowly. Look. Wait. Here I have the thick string. I have the thick string, okay, and I have the thin string. Now the thick string, when the boy plucks a thick string, what happens? The string vibrates, it goes back and forth. It goes back and forth slowly. So it vibrates slowly. What does that mean? What's the effect of that? What is going to happen as a result to that? Because the string vibrates slowly, this means that the sound is going to be low, or the pitch of the sound is going to be low. Remember, slow vibration, low pitch. Okay? So there is a low pitched sound. Now, what will happen when the boy plucks a thin guitar string? When he plucks a thin guitar string, the string vibrates quickly. So I have fast vibration here. I have fast vibration. And there is a what? Can you describe the pitch of the sound? There is a high pitched sound. Good. Now, make sure to do the homework pages. Okay? See you next time. Bye-bye.